Alright, who's gonna go into the finals to face KK and have another chance to go to Taiwan in April? Judges, the next dancer to go on to the finals in 3, 2, 1. Say, give it up for Jing Wang!